This electric SUV just did something no other EV has managed to pull off. It beat supercars costing 3 times as much. We're talking about the new Hyundai IONIQ 5N, and the numbers are completely insane. 641 horsepower, 568 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. That's Porsche 911 GT3 territory. That's faster than a Lamborghini Urus. That's quicker than a $128,000 Lucid Air. And it starts at around 66 grand. But here's where it gets weird. Most performance EVs feel like driving a really fast elevator. Smooth, quiet, clinical. This thing feels angry. Hyundai gave it fake transmission shifts, simulated engine sounds, the option to make it roar, growl, or scream like a combustion engine. Sounds gimmicky, right? Except it actually works. The shifts aren't just sound effects. The car interrupts torque delivery to mimic a real gearbox. You feel it through your seat, through the steering wheel. It's like Hyundai built an EV for people who didn't want an EV. And the performance hardware backs it up. Adaptive Sports suspension sits 0.79 inches lower than the regular IONIQ 5. Track is 50 mm wider, 21-inch forged wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 rubber, electronically controlled limited-slip differential with 11 adjustable settings. This isn't just a fast SUV with some badges. Here's the part nobody talks about. It has N Grin Boost mode. Hit the button on the steering wheel and power jumps to 641 horses for 10 seconds. That's enough to embarrass cars that cost twice as much at a stoplight, but you can also drift it. Hyundai added a 10-stage drift optimizer that makes sliding this thing around corners feel natural. Front and rear torque distribution adjusts in real time. Most EVs punish you for having fun. This one rewards it. The brakes are massive. 4-piston front calipers, high-friction pads, discs designed to handle repeated track sessions. And the regenerative braking system pulls 0.6 G, which is stronger than most cars' actual brakes. You barely need to touch the brake pedal. Now here's where things get interesting. This is still a practical SUV underneath all that performance. Same spacious cabin as the regular IONIQ 5. Same 59.3 cubic feet of cargo space with seats folded. Heated and ventilated sport bucket seats with N logos that light up when you open the door. It charges from 10 to 80% in 18 minutes on an 800-volt fast charger. That's faster than most EVs can manage. And for 2026, it finally gets the NACS port for Tesla Supercharger access. The trade-off? Range drops to 221 miles. That's about 100 miles less than a regular IONIQ 5. But if you're buying this, you're not worried about maximum efficiency. The tech inside is wild too. Real-time performance data on the center screen showing power consumption, G-forces, lap times, launch control, track mode, drag strip mode. And that simulated manual transmission? You can turn it off if you want pure EV smoothness, or leave it on and pretend you're driving a hot hatch with a DCT. Most performance EVs are one-dimensional, fast in a straight line, boring everywhere else. This thing attacks corners like it weighs 2,000 pounds less than it actually does. The steering is weighted perfectly. The chassis feels rigid. The all-wheel drive system shuffles power with zero hesitation. So yeah, Hyundai took a family-friendly electric SUV and turned it into something that can lap racetracks. And somehow, it still costs less than a base Porsche Macan. Next time, we're looking at something even more unexpected. A pickup truck that makes luxury sedan money actually makes sense. Trust me, you'll want to see this. Drop a comment if you'd actually track this thing, or just use it to terrify Teslas on your commute. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.